Welcome everyone. In this session, we're going to see about the discount. Discount is quite popular topic and always tested in the exam. And it's very important to understand how the discount work. So there are few discount that we have seen in the exam. The first discount we have seen that is called trade discount. The next one is bulk discount, and the next one is prom discount. Prom discount is also called settlement discount. Settlement discount. So trade discount basically offer to the customer to resell and make profit. For example, if we buy Coca-Cola from the Coca-Cola company, and if we buy one bottle of Coke, £1, and if we sell it to the customer £1, so we are not making any profit. So that's the reason the supplier said, whatever you paid as a purchase price, I'll give you some trade discount. So that will give you some profit. For example, 20% trade discount. So that means 20% is my profit. So whatever I purchase from the supplier, and he will give me 20% discount on that. So every time when I make a sales to my local customer, I'll make a profit of 20%. So basically, this trade discount is business to business. So when one business, the retailer, when they buy from the manufacturer, then they give this trade discount to resell and make the profit. So trade discount, we always show in the invoice. So show in the invoice, and it will reduce the price, to reduce the amount charged. So obviously, because of the discount, the customer going to pay less. So the discount always we give on the net amount. For example, on the invoice, for example, that's your invoice. And let's say 100 bottle of Coke, £1 each, that is £100. And we say trade discount 10%, and let's say 10. So the net amount after discount is 90. And the VAT we're going to be charged on 90, not 100. So trade discount is basically given to make the profit for the customer to by reselling it, and also it's showing on the invoice. Sometimes the question will come, which discount will show in the invoice, or is it increase the amount or decrease the amount? So remember that trade discount always showed on the invoice, and it will be reduce the amount charged to the customer, and it given to make profit by resell the product. The next thing we're going to see that is called bulk discount. Bulk discount is basically encourage customer to buy large quantity. So the bulk discount we give the customer, offer the customer to encourage them to buy a lot. And this discount also will be shown on the invoice, and also reduce the charged. So because of the bulk discount, the customer going to pay us less. So bulk discount is given after the trade discount. So bulk discount will be also shown on the invoice, and it will be reduce the total amount charged. The final discount we're going to see that is called prom discount or settlement discount. Prom discount will not be shown on the invoice. Remember that will not shown on the invoice. Rather, it will be shown on the credit note. So it will be sorted by the credit note on the discount allowed day book. Discount allowed day book when we give when you give the discount to the customer, or when you receive it will be discount received daybook. Now the prompt discount, basically this is the encouraging customer to pay early. So I tell my customer, normally you can pay within 30 days, but if you can pay me within 10 days, I'll give you 2% discount, or I'll give you 5% discount. So I'm encouraging my customer to pay me early. And this is entirely up to the customer. They're going to accept the offer or not. We cannot force the customer to take the offer. They can take the offer, they can refuse the offer. And that's the reason we do not include the prompt discount on the invoice. So that will be handled separately with the credit note. And one more thing, remember, if the customer said, I'm happy to take the discount, I like to take the discount, so what will be the action? So this question sometimes will be in the exam. So what will be your action if the customer willing to take the offer? So remember, if the customer willing to take the offer, we're not going to send the new invoice. They might tell you, send the new invoice. The answer is no. So if the customer accept prompt discount, then remember what we do. We send credit note plus VAT, credit note plus VAT, and the money you have received from the customer. So you update the bank. So money received, record in cash book, and update the bank. That's all we do. So when customer said, thank you for your offer, I'd like to take the prompt discount, but doesn't mean I'm going to send the new invoice to the customer, or I'm going to change the old invoice. I will not do that. Rather, whatever the discounted amount, I'll send him a credit note plus VAT, and whatever money I have received from the customer, I'll record on the cash book and I'll update my general ledger. That's all I do. So this discount type of question always in the exam. So make sure you read the discount very well, because discount will give you easy 5 marks in the exam. Thank you for watching.